Hello guys, good morning. A new fresh update on Bitcoin, giving my thoughts, especially on the lower time frames. We uploaded a video as well on Monday. High time frames, nothing changed. The bigger range, if we reclaim this on a daily and especially weekly basis, we can talk about higher targets towards 20k plus. Back towards this range mean and possibly even range high into 28k. Okay, but that's if we start breaking back above and closing back above our weekly range low at 17.5, 17.6. So that area is going to be key, right? With that being said, let's move over to the 4 hour. In the previous video, we were trading around here. We were long, we were targeting higher, targeting these highs up here. Now, yesterday I closed my longs as I posted on Twitter and in the Discord. Why? I saw some weaknesses on the lower time frames here, and we saw a dump from this. So closed my longs up here in profit, which was good. And basically what I was seeing, right, was first from the latest swing high to the latest swing low, we had our OTE resting around here, and as you can see, these wicks in there got rejected. On top of that, we got the supply here, so the sideways price action that led to the down move here, which got rejected as well. So we had clean resistance to the upside, swept this high, this key high right here, and swept this high in there. Weakness on the lower time frames was enough to close my longs, and a little time after that I even opened a scalp short because I was thinking we were going for Monday low. So my plan yesterday was, so I shorted around here, was in profit down here obviously, and my target was nothing significant. My validation was above here, and I was targeting Monday low. Okay, I thought we were going to sweep this. I'd be fully out of shorts, and there I'd be looking for longs again back towards Monday high. Okay, so that was my plan, just to give you full transparency on what my plan was. As you can see, what happened overnight, I got stopped out on the scalp short and didn't get my long entry. It do be like that sometimes, nothing we can do about it. Just accept it and move over to the next one, right? So I'm gonna delete these again, although we're still at resistance. So as you can see, the scalp short was no biggie, small dip in equity curve. As you can see, shorted here, targeting Monday low, and got stopped out on this candle, obviously. So going forward, what am I watching? Do I think we go for these highs? I think it's pretty likely. Do I think it's a good idea to long here? I don't think so. I don't like longing into these kind of moves, because we've swept Monday high already into supply. And ask yourself, what's your target and where's your invalidation? Well, for me, if I were to long here, my invalidation would be probably below here, but even that wouldn't feel too safe. And then I'd be targeting these highs here for a 0.7R and maybe up here for a 1.5R. But yeah, probability wise, not the best trade to target all the way up here. So I'd only feel comfortable if I have a decent risk to reward targeting these highs. That's not the case, so what do we do? Well, straight up nothing. Do I think shorting here is a good idea? Well, where would I feel safe with invalidation? Only above here, let's say. And target would be Monday low and maybe the lows down here. But as you can see, horrible risk to rewards as well. So for me personally, we're in a no trade zone. So what are the plans that I'm watching and what would I be trading? Well, if we see some ranging here and we get another spike and sweep the highs and see rejection, then I'd be going for a short there and then I can keep my invalidation either tight above the high or give it some space in case we get another wick above and then start rejecting. Okay, then risk to reward would be much better, and I'd feel more comfortable because we then would have taken liquidity to the upside, which would mean draw on liquidity to the downside. If we end up dumping from here, where would I be looking for longs? Well, to be honest, I'd be waiting for the sweep of Monday low. If we go from here, right, and we do this, boom, I'd be waiting for the reclaim of Monday low, take it from there, invalidation below the low that swept Monday low, and target these highs up here. Now that's a different story if we first take the highs and then go for a Monday low. So if we do something like this, where we sweep the highs and then dump, go for there, I'd feel less comfortable going long here. Why? Well, you can probably already guess, because then we would have taken liquidity to the upside, which would mean less draw on liquidity to the upside. Okay, so lower probability for longs down here if we first take the highs. But with that being said, what's the key level to reclaim for significant upside? Because all we talk about here is just small moves, right? If you look at the daily, this is still a tight range we're trading in. So fading the extremes will always be the best idea. So as you can see here on the 12 hour, right? Let me quickly remove these levels. What's this one? Okay, so on the 12 hour, what are the key areas of liquidity? Highs up here and lows down here, right? So that's the key range we're trading in. Key liquidity above there, key liquidity below there. So if we do this, boom, draw is on these lows. If we do this, draw is on these highs. What was I saying? For significant upside, we'll need to reclaim this level. Okay, so that's why I'm probably gonna fade a move in here, because invalidation is just that clear, right? I'm also in spots, so never a bad idea to hedge that spot exposure with some shorts. If I get it up here, clean invalidation there, and if we start reclaiming this, well, then we can start talking about significant upside towards possibly 20k plus. Okay, so that's my game plan. Waiting for higher prices to fade back down, or waiting for lower prices to look for longs back to the upside. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Big thanks to the sponsor of these videos, which is PrimeXBT, an exchange where you can trade the SPX, gold, forex and cryptos, all in a single exchange. I'll have a link in the description which you can use, and a promo code you can use to get up to $7,000 in bonuses. So big thanks to PrimeXBT for sponsoring. Show them some love, follow them on Twitter, like the video as well, that helps me a lot. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.